Welcome back to Planet Animal Academy, where we explore the incredible world of animals. Today, we're taking flight into the world of birds, some of the most fascinating and diverse creatures on Earth. Birds come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. From the tiny hummingbird to the mighty bald eagle, they have adapted to live in almost every environment, including forests, deserts, mountains, and even the open ocean. But what makes birds unique from other animals? Let's find out. Key features of birds. Number 1. Feathers. A unique feature of birds. Birds are the only animals that have feathers, which serve multiple purposes. Feathers help them fly, provide warmth, and can be used for camouflage or attracting mates. Some birds even use their feathers for communication and protection. Some birds like peacocks have dazzling, colorful feathers that they fan out to impress potential mates. The more vibrant and large the feathers, the more attractive they are to a partner. Some birds like owls have special, soft-edged feathers that allow them to fly silently, helping them sneak up on their prey while hunting at night. Some birds like penguins have dense, waterproof feathers that trap air and keep them warm in icy waters. Number 2. Beaks instead of teeth. Designed for their diet. Unlike mammals and reptiles, birds don't have teeth. Instead, they have hard, specialized beaks shaped according to their diet. Some birds even use their beaks for digging, building nests, or fighting. Some birds like eagles and hawks have strong, curved beaks designed for tearing apart meat, making them excellent predators. Some birds like hummingbirds have long, thin beaks that allow them to reach deep into flowers and sip nectar. Their beaks are perfectly adapted for their diet. Some birds like parrots have powerful, curved beaks that can crack open hard nuts and seeds. They use their beaks almost like hands to climb and grasp objects. Some birds like woodpeckers have sharp, chisel-like beaks that allow them to drill into tree bark in search of insects. Number 3. Laying eggs. The only way birds reproduce. All birds lay eggs, but not all eggs look the same. The size, shape, and color of eggs vary depending on the species, habitat, and survival strategies. Some birds like ostriches lay the largest eggs in the world, with each egg weighing up to 3 pounds, 1.4 kilograms. Their eggs are so strong that even a fully grown human can stand on one without breaking it. Some birds like robins lay small, bright blue eggs that blend into their surroundings to avoid predators. Some birds like emperor penguins lay their eggs in freezing temperatures and balance them on their feet, covering them with a flap of skin to keep them warm. Number 4. Hollow bones for flight. A light but strong structure. Birds need to be as light as possible for flight, which is why most of them have lightweight, hollow bones filled with air spaces. This makes their skeletons strong but much lighter than those of other animals. However, not all birds use their bones for flying. Some birds like pigeons and falcons are skilled flyers, able to travel long distances at high speeds. Falcons, for example, can dive at speeds of over 240 miles per hour, 386 kilometers per hour. Some birds like albatrosses have enormous wingspans, allowing them to glide over the ocean for thousands of miles without flapping their wings. Some birds like penguins and ostriches have adapted to different environments. Penguins use their strong bones and wings for swimming rather than flying, while ostriches use their long, powerful legs to run at speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour, 37 miles per hour. Different types of birds. 1. Flightless birds. The birds that don't fly. Not all birds can fly. Some have evolved to survive by running fast, swimming, or adapting to a life on land. These birds often have strong legs and bodies built for endurance. Ostriches are the largest living birds, growing up to 9 feet, 2.7 meters, tall. Since they can't fly, they use their powerful legs to run at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour, 97 km per hour, making them the fastest running birds on Earth. Penguins may not fly in the air, but they are expert swimmers. They use their wings like flippers to glide effortlessly through the water while hunting for fish, squid, and krill. Emperor penguins can dive over 1,500 feet, 457 meters, deep. Cassowaries, found in Australia and Papua New Guinea, are large, flightless birds with a helmet-like crest on their heads. They are known to be one of the most dangerous birds, capable of delivering powerful kicks with their sharp claws. 2. Birds of prey, the hunters of the sky. These birds are powerful predators with sharp talons, hooked beaks, and excellent vision. They dominate the skies and play a crucial role in controlling populations of small animals and birds. Eagles, like the bald eagle, have incredible eyesight that allows them to spot prey from miles away. They can dive at speeds of over 100 miles per hour, 160 kilometers per hour, to catch fish, rabbits, and other animals. Hawks are known for their speed and agility. They can swoop down and snatch small mammals, birds, or reptiles mid-flight. The peregrine falcon, a type of hawk, is the fastest bird in the world, reaching speeds of over 240 miles per hour, 386 kilometers per hour, in a dive. Owls are silent hunters of the night. Their special facial discs help funnel sound to their ears, allowing them to detect even the slightest movement of their prey in complete darkness. The great horned owl can take down prey much larger than itself, including skunks and small deer. Vultures are scavengers that clean up the environment by feeding on dead animals. They have strong stomach acids that allow them to digest decaying meat without getting sick. 3. Water birds, the swimmers and divers. These birds are adapted to living near water and have special features such as webbed feet, waterproof feathers, and unique fishing techniques. Ducks and swans have webbed feet that help them paddle efficiently through lakes and rivers. Swans form strong bonds with their mates and are often seen gliding gracefully across the water. Pelicans have large throat pouches that allow them to scoop up fish and drain the water before swallowing their catch. The largest species, the Dalmatian pelican, has a wingspan of over 11 feet, 3.4 meters. Albatrosses are among the best gliders in the bird world. They can soar over the ocean for hours without flapping their wings, traveling thousands of miles in search of food. The wandering albatross holds the record for the longest wingspan of any bird, up to 12 feet, 3.6 meters. Herons and egrets have long legs that allow them to wade through shallow waters, patiently waiting to strike at fish with their sharp beaks. 4. Songbirds, the melodic singers. Songbirds, also called passerines, make up the largest group of birds. They are known for their musical calls, which they use to attract mates, defend their territory, and communicate with each other. Canaries and nightingales produce some of the most beautiful and complex bird songs. Nightingales, in particular, can sing over 200 different melodies. Mockingbirds are expert mimics, capable of imitating the calls of other birds, insects, and even human sounds. They are named after their ability to mock different noises in their environment. Robins and cardinals use their songs to mark their territory and attract mates. Male robins often sing early in the morning, earning them the nickname dawn chorus leaders. Lyrebirds, found in Australia, are the best mimics in the bird world. They can imitate the sounds of chainsaws, camera shutters, and even car alarms. Amazing bird facts. Peregrine falcon is the fastest bird in the world. It can dive at speeds of over 240 miles per hour, 386 kilometers per hour. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can hover in place and even fly backward. The Arctic tern has the longest migration of any bird, traveling nearly 44,000 miles, 71,000 kilometers, from pole to pole each year. Owls can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees, giving them an almost full circle view without moving their bodies. The kakapo is a rare, flightless parrot from New Zealand that is one of the heaviest parrots in the world. Thanks for watching Planet Animal Academy. Stay tuned for more exciting and educational content about the amazing world of animals.